In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add subtasks in Jira. To get started, open Jira and go to your project. Once you are inside the project, click on Board so you can view your current work items more easily. This is usually the fastest place to find the issue you want to work with, especially if you're managing tasks as part of an active sprint or workflow. From the board, click on the parent issue to open it. This is an important part of the process, because subtasks are always created underneath a parent issue. In Jira, subtasks can only be created under standard issue types such as tasks, stories, and bugs. So if you don't see the option to create a subtask, first make sure the issue you opened is one of those standard types. Once the parent issue is open, look for the subtask section. This is where all related subtasks for that issue will appear. Under that area, click Add Subtask to begin creating one. Jira gives you a simple and flexible way to do this. At this point, you can either manually type your subtask or use the AI suggestion feature, if it's available in your Jira setup, to help generate a subtask idea. If you already know exactly what needs to be done, manual entry is usually the quickest option. Just type the name of the subtask clearly so it's easy for your team to understand. Then press Enter to create it. You can continue adding more subtasks in the same area if needed. This is useful when you want to break a larger issue into smaller, trackable pieces of work. Keeping subtasks specific and action-focused can make the parent issue much easier to manage and helps everyone stay aligned on progress. After you've added a subtask, click on it to open its details. From there, you can add a description to explain what needs to be done. Set the priority, change the status, and assign it to the right person. These details help make the subtask more useful, especially when multiple team members are involved or when the work needs to be prioritized properly. That's all it takes to add subtasks in Jira. Once you get used to this workflow, it becomes a simple way to organize work and make larger issues much easier to track and complete. Thanks for watching.